Paul. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you again. I just wanted to thank you very much. It's been an outstanding partnership. We've had a lot of fun. The folks here at Pizza Coots have been outstanding.
It's really sort of a team effort. We've got McMaster involved, obviously Jim Cotton and his team, and Ontario Centers of Excellence and NSERC coming together as a team with us, I think, is sort of the proof of concept model. Having an industry partner like us, I think, that was enthusiastic about the concept and the potential, really working together collaboratively. And we have an in-house engineer who worked closely with Jim's team as well, and just really, I guess, put a lot of effort into getting a working live prototype that McMaster had developed. And I think just we're really well getting the funding, the expertise, and the collaboration together really just got us off to the races quite quickly.
Our project started with NSERC and an Engage grant. The grant was for $25,000 to solve a company problem. In addition to solving the problem, we expanded that into trying to understand where the technology would best fit. So since that time, we've created a technology roadmap for this project, and so far have been successful in getting 5 additional grants with the Ontario Centre of Excellence and NSERC. We're still waiting on another grant, so all total this will amount to about $1 million in funding. Our last grant we just got was an NSERC I2I, and that grant is basically about taking this from the lab to market. So ideas to innovation.
Paul, this is the oven we were thinking about installing the first test unit into in the real store after the test kitchen.
We're always looking to innovate as a company and find smarter ways to just run our business, save money, reduce costs for our franchisees, for instance, and be sort of environmentally friendly and just smart. And so this is a perfect example of sort of all those things brought together. So we see a lot of potential to save, say 6 to 7% of our operating budget is really due to energy in our restaurants. So that's a big part of our franchisees' bottom line. And right now there's a lot of wasted energy out of our gas ovens through the exhaust. It's just purely wasted energy, and we can recapture that and generate essentially free electricity, and also the ability to heat water through recovering that wasted heat, which can actually provide radiant heating to our stores.
We're focusing on taking the waste heat, creating some electricity through a thermoelectric generator, and then using that energy for the store lighting, open signs for the point of sale cash register units to keep the lights on when the power goes out. The energy that we capture that we don't convert to electricity, we're using to heat the hot water systems, and we completely displace any energy needed for their hot water tank.
We're just excited to get to the next stage that we're now embarking on with this project, because the first stage was so promising. So I think that there's many examples in we got commercial businesses like ours in the restaurant sector, industrial businesses. I mean, no matter where you look, there's a role for sort of private businesses and industry, I think, to work with government bodies and funding mechanisms to just try and innovate and be smart about things and save money and create new opportunities.